Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial. I haven't done this in a while because I haven't worn makeup in a while. First of all, the weather has not just been a makeup tutorial kind of weather for me, so I haven't done this in a while. But today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial and I want to do something that I haven't done before, which is like a cut crease. I haven't done one of that before, I haven't tried my hands on it before, so I'm going to be trying it today in this video and we'll see how it goes. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Onyinye and I make mostly beauty and lifestyle related videos here on my channel, so look around, feel comfortable, watch my previous videos, and if you like the kind of content that I upload, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know how much I love and appreciate you. So now I'm just going to go ahead and film the tutorial and I'll see you guys in the end. So I'm starting with my brows and I'm just going to brush that out first and then fill it in with a pencil. I usually fill my brows in lightly because I have full brows and I don't want them to look very thick, so I fill them in lightly with a pencil. And I have like a brow tutorial here on my channel which is more detailed, so if you want to see how I do my brows, you can go and watch that video. I'm going to leave a link just above this video and in the description box as well. So now I'm just cleaning my brows, defining it properly with a concealer and a brush. That done, I just went ahead with this gel from number 7 and I'm just going to use that to lay my brows properly. Now it's time to prime my lid and I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to apply this on my index finger and blend that onto my lid. Then I went ahead with a brush to just smoothen it out a little bit. Because I haven't done a cut crease before, I'm going to be taking a milder approach. So I'm going to be using my neutral palette. This one is from Zaron. It's their Smoky Eye Palette called Smudged. And this is what it looks like. It has like neutral tones. And this one is from Taos Cosmetics, which is a neutral palette as well. It has like very nice collection of nude tones. So these are the two palettes I'm going to be using. I'm going to be showing you guys the colors I'll be taking from the palettes. They are both Nigerian brands. I bought them here in Nigeria. This one was about 8,000 naira, I think, this one, and this one was less than 5,000. So let's do this. For transition, I'm going to be going in with this shade which is kind of close to my skin tone, and I'm just going to be blending that with a fluffy blending brush in the area above my crease. For my crease, I'm going to go in with that brown shade which is a little bit deeper than the one I used before, and I'm just going to apply that onto my crease. Because I like my outer corners to be really dark, I'm going to go into that shade and then I'm going to blend that in the outer corners of my eyes. Then I went in with like a clean blending brush which I used to like blend in everything so that it looks seamless. And now I'm doing my cut it dance. It's time to cut my crease, and to do that I'm using concealer and I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and carefully cut my crease. I did this very slowly because I did not want to make any kind of mistake, and I just cut the area I cut my crease just at the area above my lid. I think I did a good job. Now for my lid, I'm going to go in with that shade in my Taos Cosmetics palette and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. I used a small eyeshadow brush because I just wanted to keep the color in the area that I want it to be in. Just to make things a little bit interesting, I went in with that shade and I applied this at the edges where I cut my crease, just to like blend the two colors together. Now I'm just lining my lid with a liquid eyeliner. I'm applying some mascara now to my lashes, after which I went ahead to apply my falsies. You guys already know I struggle with applying falsies and at the end I applied only one, but I'll do the second one later. Now over to my face, and I'm just adjusting my head wrap so I don't apply foundation on it. And then I went ahead to clean off like the excess product fallout on my face before going in with my primer. For primer, I'm using this one from Rimmel London. It's their Fix and Perfect primer, and I'm just going to apply this onto my face and blend it out with my fingers. Just massaging this gently onto my skin. That done, I went ahead with my cream stick highlighter. I got this thing from Primark. Now I'm just going to apply it in the areas of my face that I usually highlight, and then going in with my fingers, I blended this out nicely. Now that I'm looking like the sun, I'm just going to go ahead and apply foundation, and I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise foundation. I pumped some of it onto the back of my hand, and I went in with my Real Techniques blending brush to blend this out. This is my favorite brush for applying foundation because it blends my foundation in seamlessly. So I took my time to do this, blending, blending, blending. Foundation done, it's time to highlight and contour, and I'll be using my concealers from Zaron. First to highlight, and I'm just going to apply the highlighter in the areas of my face that I usually highlight, that is underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my jaw, cupid's bow, and my forehead. And then I went in with a damp beauty blender to blend that out. You need to work quick with this concealer. I have a review of it here on my channel. I'll leave a link to the video in the description as well, so you can check that out. After blending my concealer, highlighter, it's time to set, and I'm going to do that with my Colorpop setting powder. This is their translucent setting powder, and I'm just applying this in the areas of my face that I highlighted. Then I went ahead to contour my face, and I'm just going to apply the concealer first in the areas that, just like the dimension of my face, to give my face some kind of shape, you know. And then I went in with a brush to blend that in seamlessly. set my contour, I'll be going into my Zaron face definer, and I'm just going to use that to set the areas of my face that I contoured, just to give my contour some definition. And then I went ahead to do a little bit of contour for my nose as well. Now I'm just dusting up some blush on my cheeks to return some color to my face. And then I went ahead to dust off the excess powder on my face. Using the same brush and my Zaron mattifying face powder, I'm just going to set the whole of my face. To put everything in place, like make everything set, I went in with my Fix Plus, and then I went ahead to line my lips while I wait for that to dry. I always line my lips with a brown pencil if I'll be going for a nude lip, which is what I'll be doing in this video. So I lined first with my brown pencil, then I went in with my Velvet Teddy lipstick from MAC, and I just applied that on my lips. Over to highlighter, and I'm just going to slightly dust this at the highest point of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my temples, and my cupid's bow. And then I went ahead to complete the looks for my eyes, and I used the brown shade I used in my crease, and I just smoked out my under eye area, and then I applied some mascara to my lashes. I wasn't really feeling the matte nude thing, so I added lip gloss to my lips. And this is the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed creating this look, and I was really proud of the outcome I got, being that it's my first time trying a cut crease, and this is my dance show for it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you have any video suggestions, leave it in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.